Ubudlelwane phakathi kokhomishana ephenya ukugwamanda kwamandla ombuso kanye naloyo nguMongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma isifike kangqingenje. Isicelo esiphuthumayo esifakwe inkantolo yomthethosisekelo yikhomishana sesibone amajaji ebuza ukuthi lo khomishana isanalo yini ithemba lokuthi umnumzana uJacob Zuma uyoke abuye yini kulesigcawu esiholwa yiphini lenhloko yamajaji ezothula ubufakazi.
It seems to me that you as the commission, when I read your papers and your argument in it, that you've abandoned all hope of getting Mr. Zuma to the commission. Is that correct? So you exclude coercion altogether?
Ummeli wekhomishana uAdvocate Thembeka Ngcukaitobi uthi le khomishana isiphose ithawula lokuthi umnumzana uZuma uyoke abuye azothula ubufakazi kule khomishana eholwa yiphini lenhloko yamajaji uRaymond Zondo. Ingakho le khomishana isifuna amasongo kasigonyela akhale uZuma aboshwe iminyaka emibili.
It's quite clear that we are excluding coercion. The difficulty, well, the short answer to the question is yes, we do not ask for his appearance. We ask for his punishment. What we say is that you should take into account in the decision as to the appropriate punishment that the impact of Mr. Zuma has been a deliberate and a cynical maneuver to avoid accounting. So that's the approach that we take on the matter.
uNgcukaitobi uphinde athi umnumzana uZuma ugxeka amajaji mihla namalanga.
Those are plain insults. They are false, they are unfounded, they cannot be justified. Mr. Zuma is not even here to complain about his freedom of speech. He is quite happy that he has made his remarks because they fall in the category of political campaigns. So we are all entitled to say the judges are wrong. We say that all the time when we come on appeal before this court. But we are never entitled to embark on ad hominem attacks against people that are doing their job honestly, diligently, to the best of their knowledge.
Lo khomishana kade senkantolo yomthethosisekelo namhlanje ithi nesicelo sokuthi uZuma makaboshwe iminyaka emibili ngongawulandeli umthetho owubekwe phansi ile khomishana kanye futhi nenkantolo yomthethosisekelo. Ngingusamkela Maseko wezindaba ze SABC eGoli.